What is up? Good afternoon, everybody over at Wisconsin Surf. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I know you guys spoke to my sales rep, Jennifer, and wanted some more information on how we can help you guys out or how you guys can even do this yourself. So we're going to give you a bunch of awesome information here in this video, showing how you guys can increase the traffic to your website, how you can be found more on your Google search results, as well as a little bit on social media, but I'm not going to touch too much on it. Regardless, we mainly like to go over the website. Jen said that you guys are a fairly new business up in Hayward. We were actually just up there a few months ago. Absolutely loved the area. So dear and near to my heart, would love to help you guys out. First thing I see, though, is you guys do not have a secure website. Having just built this is a common issue. It's a pretty easy thing to do. It's called SSL, and you want to go out and buy that certification of SSL, which will secure your site if people are purchasing online, put in their cards, their information, their personal information. People want to make sure that they're shopping securely online. So not only that, but you guys got a great looking website. I see you got some Paddle North gear. You guys have your own gear and apparel, and a little bit more exploring around the Hayward area. I definitely think that you guys could probably add some more content onto your website. Google absolutely loves content. They will rank better for it. It's more for the consumer to read, gives more information about your guys' business. But overall, not a bad looking website. You guys have a click to call. You got your social media icons right here. I would definitely add some more buttons like, hey, call us now, or like a submit a contact form and you can't find our shop, something like that. Just so people have an easier way to reach you than just this little contact down here. It's got your email. That's awesome. But other than that, we want to have some more contact things around. But another thing we like to do is we like to focus on SEO. SEO is search engine optimization, and we want to figure out the best way to rank your website and your business online. So what we do is we actually take your guys' URL here, and we bring it over here to our tool. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us a good guideline on what you guys have for backlinks, as well as the referring domains, and the organic keywords that are on your guys' website right now, and roughly how much organic traffic you guys are getting every single month. So right now you're sitting at about 40 organic traffic based off of this data. We like to keep this UR and DR rating pretty even, so you guys are doing well in that golden ratio. One thing that's really hurting you guys, though, right now is having this UR so low. That's your URL rating. We want to get that boosted up, and like I said, having that golden ratio, having the domain rating as well, boosted up with it. How we do that is we have good quality backlinks and good quality keywords. And we want to figure out what is somebody locally around you doing online. If they're already doing it really, really well, what are they doing and how do we do it, right? So what we do is we actually go into Google and we type in a keyword, sports shops, Hayward, Wisconsin. People that don't know about you want to be able to find you off of generalized keywords. When they type it on their phone, you guys want to be able to pop up. And we want you to be right here if at all possible, which is your Google business profile. If you have one already, awesome. If not, highly recommend getting one. It will help you guys out big time. But the few things that we want to focus on here are the amount of reviews, as well as the business description. We want to make sure that all the information is laid out clearly. You guys are in the correct in-store shopping or in something like that, curbside pickup, outdoor sports shop or canoe and kayak store, sporting goods store, things like that. We want to make sure that you guys are in the correct classification of a business. So reviews and having it optimized. Another thing we like to do, similar with the website, we also put citations into the Google business profile, which allows you to start immediately getting more calls and will really help you guys boost in the rankings with that, people finding you. But nevertheless, right? So when we search sports shops, Hayward, Wisconsin, we have this up here, and then down below we have the organic section of the Google search results. So a few things I looked for here. We see Hayward Bait. You guys obviously are a bait shop. We're not going to compare to them. And then we found here at the bottom of the first page is Outdoor Adventures, Hayward, Wisconsin. They're a brand name clothing similar to you guys, kind of offering that water-like, paddle life, sort of, lake life kind of clothing store. And we pull up their website, right? First thing they have that pops up is a subscribe now page. Would consider doing one of those. We can figure out what they have for shopping, brands, how to contact them easy, things like that. A very up and front picture, a call to action right away. That's great. And they've got all sorts of stuff, right? But we're not here to analyze their website. We're here to figure out what they're doing correct. So we want to take their URL, similar to you guys, and we're going to bring it over here to Ahrefs as well. So, like I said, once we start to boost this UR and even it out with this DR, our Ahrefs rank starts to go down, which makes us findable. It makes us more findable. Google wants to push us to the top of the pages. Not only that, but we want to have more backlinks and we want to have more keywords. See, once we had all of this, look where the organic traffic goes from. 498 from 39. That's easily possible for you guys. I know there's a huge search volume up in Hayward. It's a big, awesome kind of travel city. People love to go there. So definitely something you guys definitely need to work on. And how we do that is we can go into each and every single one of these backlinks. Excuse me. Sorry. And we want to grab every single backlink that is worth our time. We can figure out by the DR and UR ratings, as well as the traffic based upon it. All kinds of different things that we want to consider here. We want to figure out what types of links they are, things like that. And we can go out and we can get every single one of the backlinks that these guys have, and then we go and get more, right? Because if it's working for them, why not just take it? It is that easy. Unfortunately, it is that easy. Same thing with the keywords. We want to go in there and do that. We want to figure out what you guys have for keywords. You have 15 of them as of right now. Let's take a look at yours. You got a 60 search volume, 20, 60, 60, 60, 200 shops in Hayward right there. You guys are in the 24th position right now if people search shops in Hayward. Same thing, shops in Hayward right there, Wisconsin surfing. You guys are 52 position for that. 40 search volume every single month. The only really big keyword you guys have is paddle north. And you guys are only in the 57th position for. So you got some room to work on. But similar, we can grab theirs. Go in there, figure out what they're doing. Figure out what high search volume ones they're doing. Outdoor adventures, they're in first position for that because it's their business name, right? Let's do a different one. Britnitz, that's a little weird. Stone Lake Fireworks, odd word, but it's working for them. They're in third position for that. There's 100 search volume on that. Bayfield Apple Festival, they must attend that. There's 1,000 search volume every single month, or 1,000 search volume for it every single month for it, and they're in 11th position. Things like that. They have all kinds of big keywords that we want to use, grab, and find and start putting into your website. And we don't do that with just one competitor. We do it with all of your local competitors. Figure out who has the best. So it really does take a lot of time and research to figure out what's working for other people, what can we put into your guys' website to really get you guys going. But that is a good start for you guys. I know it's a ton of information. Feel free to use it however you'd like. Feel free to reach back out to us. We'd be happy to partner with you and assist in all of these online endeavors. But nevertheless, I hope that this video helps you guys in any way, shape, or form. Feel free to let us know what you guys thought of this video. We always love getting some feedback on these. But regardless, thanks guys. Again, this is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing, and have a great day.